Hello, gorgeous plant people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Stacia.
My name is Yana.
In today's video, I will be going over my five favorite plant purchases of 2020. So stay tuned. So I like to start with my Ming fern. And this fern is in a kokedama. I purchased this from the terrain, and they were nice enough to go ahead and create a kokedama for me. I am really enjoying having this Ming fern in my collection. It's not as forgiving as other plants, but I still love the texture of this fern. I love the needles and it just reminds me of something that you might see in a forest. It reminds me of bamboo, like a bamboo plant. I have this fern hanging in my bathroom. I take it down once a week. I immerse it in water and I hang it back up maybe once every 7 to 10 days. Again, it's in a southeast facing window, and it's growing nice. It's growing nicely. I think, but it may need a little bit more humidity. But I do like having this in my collection. Next, I have my Ficus elastica, and this is an altissima. And this is very, very beautiful. I hope that you can see the variegation in the leaves. I love the chartreuse color here in the leaves. It is extremely beautiful. I have this plant sitting in my south facing kitchen window. I water it about once a week. I wipe the leaves off as well with a damp cloth with a little bit of antibacterial soap. But again, this plant is extremely easy to grow, and I may add another plant in the fall.
She's already talking about buying another one.
As you know from my previous videos, from my birthday haul, I do like plants that are a little bit more full, and I don't like them to look very stemmy. So again, I may add another one in the spring. I'm sorry.
And she ordered that one from the plant farm, which has a nice selection of plants, and they're not too costly if you just want to start out buying a plant.
Yes.
Just to try it.
Yes, exactly. So the next one is my Philodendron birkin, which I am really enjoying having this in my collection. In the past, I had a Prince of Orange twice, and I also had a Philodendron Moonlight, and they did not do well at all. I no longer have them in my collection. So I've had this plant for almost 2 months now, and I think it's doing pretty good. It's growing nicely. I really love the pinstripe variegation in the leaf. Again, I have this in my living room, and for the most part, I water my plants probably about every 7 to 8 days or so. And so this works really well for this plant. I'm very happy with the way that it's growing, given the fact that I didn't have such good luck with my previous philodendrons. Yes. So I've tried the Philodendron Prince of Orange twice, and I've tried the Moonlight, and I currently have the Pink Princess, which I received from Ayana for my birthday.
From Gabriella's plants.
And that plant
It's a hot mess.
that plant is not easy to grow. It really isn't. So I really am enjoying having this Philodendron birkin in my collection. So the next one that I wanted to show you is my African milk bush, or this is my Euphorbia trigona green. This plant is just so beautiful. It's so full, and yet it's compact, and I just love how nice it's growing. If you can see here at the top where the lightest part is, this is the new growth. So I do have some new growth since purchasing this for my birthday. It is extremely easy to care for, which I love. Again, I have this in a south-facing window, and I water it every 7 to 10 days. During my plant journey, my goal is to have a simple care regimen for all of my plants, with the exception of my fiddle leaf figs. They can be quite quite a challenge.
They're on another level.
But I love them. I love the way they look. And currently I have 6 in my collection, and 2 of them are giving me a hard time. But I'm going to try my best with them. But again, my goal in my plant collection is for my plants to bring me peace and serenity. I really do enjoy taking care of them, but I don't want anything that is going to be too high maintenance, that is going to bring me more stress or undue stress. So
It makes you feel like a terrible plant parent.
sometimes you win some and sometimes you lose them. But it is quite a nice journey. I am enjoying it. And lastly, I have here my Norfolk Island pine. This pine tree is actually a tropical plant, and I will be growing this as a house plant. This plant,
Although she wants to decorate it like a Christmas tree.
let me know in the comments below what you think. This plant requires a little bit more humidity. It actually likes about 50% humidity. I try to keep the soil evenly moist. I stick my finger in the soil down about 2 inches, and if it feels dry, then I go ahead and give it a nice good soaking of water. But so far I've lost a few branches, mostly on the bottom. I'm not sure if that's due to humidity or if it had some sunburn. But other than that, it's growing nicely. I love having it in my collection. Again, I will be keeping this as a house plant and not a Christmas tree. So if any of you have a Norfolk Island pine in your collection, if you have any tips or tricks for me, please let me know. Anything else?
No, we'll definitely add some footage and pictures just so you guys can see these plants better. But yeah, she has a tendency to buy big plants, so
Yes.
it won't fit in the frame.
Oh, we will do a B-roll on this plant so you can get a good look. And I think I might decorate it for Christmas. Let me know what you think. And let us know what your 5 favorite plants are, or your 5 top purchases. Or you can let us know of any difficulties that you're having with your plants. We're happy to help if we can. We certainly do enjoy talking with you and reading your comments. We like to thank you for all of your comments and interactions. It really means a lot to us.
And I really enjoy the DMs that I'm getting on Instagram, and you guys are asking questions about your plants. So feel free to reach out to us on Instagram too. Our handles are in the description.
Yes, my Instagram handle is Grounded in Simplicity. So please come over and take a look at my channel. If you like, please follow me. I love to interact with you as well. And I do post pictures of my travels to different plant shops, or sometimes our dogs. And I try to post pictures of my plants as well. So again, thank you everyone. We hope that you are all well, you and your families. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.